Almost vomited. There's a common saying with powerlifters that squatting above 5 reps is cardio. But in a recent study in 2024 by Hong et al. Showed that squatting might actually be cardio. So let's run through that workout and have a chat about the results there. Hey guys, voiceover Lawrence checking in. So as I'm doing my warm-ups for this protocol, let's discuss what the study said. The study measured the gas exchange and cardio demands of 22 trained athletes as they do this squat protocol. So the protocol involves a 3-minute break. The squat protocol included 5 sets of 10 at an estimated of 65 of the 1 rep max. I feel like throwing up. What they found was the overall cardio demand was about 100.6% of the predicted VO2 max. What this means is that they're working at pretty much 100% of their cardio demands. It's progressively getting a little bit harder. My heart rate is still relatively okay. It's about 94 and climbing. So even though the rest time is 3 minutes, it feels like it's progressively getting shorter. Like I haven't got my breath back yet. And it's only 1 more minute of rest. So yes, definitely cardio so far. And this is equivalent to doing a high intensity interval training session or some sprints. So I think I've got really poor heart rate variability, because when I'm working, my heart rate drops to 90, and when I'm resting, it increases to 125. Please let me know if I need to get that checked, but that was set 4. 1 more set, but this is feeling like cardio at the moment. Only 3 minutes of rest, so I got about 2.5 minutes left. So last set, best set. Yeah, feel wrecked. 5 sets, 65%, 3 minutes rest. Almost vomited. The pre-workout 3 times. Yeah, fun times. That's my leg sesh for today. So I'm just gonna finish off with some Romanians. But yeah, cardio. So the squatting protocol won't necessarily replace your cardio session, but it can be used to show that lifting weights can also be seen as cardio. So you get the benefits of resistance training with the benefits of cardio health. So add this into your protocol to make sure you stay nice and fit and healthy, but at the same time, if your goal is to purely increase your cardio, you do also need to supplement in long form cardio or endurance-based cardio, depending on what you need. So if you like these types of videos, please consider leaving a like or sharing it with someone who might need this. Otherwise, click on this video here if you do have a tension headache and you want to know how to get rid of that. See you guys next time.